Hey guys, it's John here. I'm in the office with Juan over here. I've got some really cool news for you guys. Just yesterday, we released a brand new feature. It's called the Badges flow within ZonGuru. So in the top left-hand corner, right at the top, you can click on the Badges flow. And what it does is it really helps you to learn, grow, and unlock new features and to get to really use every single part of ZonGuru. And as you go, you earn badges along the way. So you can get anything from the first badge, the Protege badge, all the way through to the Nirvana badge. And then one of my favorites, the Hunter badge. You get the Secret Agent badge. There's a whole bunch in there that you can just work through and unlock, and there's training along the way. So if you guys want a little bit more hand-holding or a little bit more support, I know you're gonna love it. We're getting a lot of good feedback. Just to give you a quick run through, if you go to the top left-hand corner and click on ZonGuru Badges, you will see this whole kind of step-by-step process that you can go through. You can see here I've earned a couple of badges. I've earned the Protege and the Matrix badge, and you know we'll tell you which one you should try next. And you know, just simply click on all of these. As you unlock them, there's some additional content for you, training, etc., just to really get you up to speed and using the tool. So guys, enjoy it. It is super awesome. I'm loving it, and I hope you do too.